Hello, welcome to AWS Academy Cloud Solutions Architect Associate. We are in module 7, knowledge check. So we have 10 questions. We need to answer at least 7 correct. That's 70%. Let me start. So here is your first question. What is AWS site-to-site VPN? It is a solutions that provide a connection between a VPC and an on-premises. This is the right answer. So just submit. Okay. What does AWS Direct Connect provide? So here a dedicated network connection, an on-premises network that uses 802.1q. Okay. The third one, a company has two virtual two VPCs. A VPC has a classless CADR block of 10.1.0.0/16. Second one, VPC B has a CADR of 10.2.0.0/16. Both VPCs belong to the same AWS account. What is the simplest way to connect two VPCs that can route the traffic between them? It is VPC peering. So if you are in the same region, you can use this VPC peering to subnets. Yeah. Fourth one, a company is implementing a system to back up on-premises systems to Amazon Web Services. Which network connectivity method will provide a solution with the most consistent performance? So that is a direct connect. A direct connect is like a leased line which connects your on-premises to the cloud, to the AWS cloud. Right. Fifth one, systems in secure subnet in a VPC must access a bucket in AWS S3. Which solution stops traffic from crossing the internet? So you can create a VPC gateway endpoint for Amazon S3. This will provide, which will help. Yes. Sixth one, a company has three VPCs. VPC A, VPC B, and C have classless CADR blocks that do not overlap. Is properly configured. Both A and C have a separate VPC peering connections with B. However, A cannot communicate with C. What is the simplest and most cost-effective way to enable full communication between A and C? So what we need to do is that add a peering connection between A and C because they can communicate only with B, and route the traffic between A and C through the peering connection. Yeah. The seventh one, because of a natural disaster, a company has moved a secondary data center to temporary facility with internet connectivity. It needs a secure connection to the company's VPC that must be operational as soon as possible. The data center will move again in 2 weeks. Which option meets the requirement? So that is VPC peering, no, site-to-site VPN, because secondary data center site-to-site VPN should be the proper answer. Okay, perfect. Eighth one, what is the simplest way to connect 100 VPCs together? 100 VPCs together. Connect the VPCs using the transit gateway. This is the best way. You create a transit gateway and connect all of them. Yeah. So now, a company security administrator requires that EC2 instances in a specific subnet must be connected to DynamoDB through VPC endpoint. The company's network standards require that the infrastructure support high availability. Which action meets these architectural requirements without adding another subnet? So associate a single VPC endpoint with the subnet. Oh, okay, this should be the right one. Yeah. Last one. A company uses a single AWS direct connect connection between their on-premises network and their virtual private cloud. They want to ensure that the network connectivity is high available by adding backup connection. Which network connectivity method provides most cost-effective solution for backup solution? So this is an on-demand site-to-site VPN connection across the internet. That should be the proper one. Okay. So here we got the score as 100%. Thank you. Let us meet in module 8. Bye.